some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up early in the morning without you by my side, yeah. Waking up early in the morning, and baby,
All right, guys. Fishing from the e-bike has been achieved. Good little baby. All right, let's put her back. Nice. Healthy.
had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up in the middle of the night, all alone.
Okay, so if you're wondering what we caught that on, those were Yamamoto 5-inch Cincos, watermelon with red flake.
I never had it so good. Baby, I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I never had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good.
I'm hoping that's not the only one we get today, but I'm prepared for it to be. It's not my personal best out of here, but it's my first ever off of an e-bike. As you can see, the lake levels are real low. I did a video last year where they were flooding it, so this is quite the opposite. I was actually hoping this week to maybe get down on San Diego Bay and bring a camera or two, but this is close to the house. This is Lake Murray. You guys have seen me fishing here before. This is my freshwater fishing choice, fishing spot of choice here in San Diego, very close to the house. So close, in fact, that I can get here by e-bike, about a 20-minute ride. So that's what I've been doing this week. As you can see, the water levels are really low in the lake. They've got the lake drained down this level for state-mandated water testing post 4th of July fireworks, according to the website, if you can believe it. But I turned lemons into lemonade. Can't bring the boat. Then get on the e-bike. Came out, caught maybe a 2-pound, 3-pound bass. Not too bad. Switching to top water. You may notice that the camera angle is different from where I caught that actual fish. I was over there, left of the frame. Last cast of the day. It's a good day. Got the one, nothing on the catfish rod. Only our second time out here shore fishing off the bike, so not a bad day. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already subscribed, whether we're on the boat or on the e-bike, I'll see you guys in the next one.
When I saw you walking down that hill, head high and shoulders back, watching you